Look, this new show is not any good at all, man. I think we should just go back home and do what we used to do.
No! No!
No, Dad! Stop! Wait!
No! This is Patrick!